Hi students, let us continue with chapter 22, heights and distance. So today let me start with exercise 22b. So let me go to the first question. In the figure given below, it is given that AB is perpendicular to BD. AB is perpendicular to BD and is of the length x. Length is mentioned as x. Okay. X meters and DC equal to 30 meters. Angle ADB equal to 30 degree and angle ACB equal to 45 degree. Without using table, find the value of x. So let me write down here. We have DC is length is x meters, right? And DC is 30 meters. It's already mentioned in the figure. So let us find the length. In order to find the length, here we have AB is x, correct? AB is given as x. So from the figure we clearly get from triangle ABC, we can take tan, the ratio tan 45 equal to AB by BC. We know the value of tan 45 without using the table, right? Tan 45 is equal to 1. 1 equal to AB is x, right? X by BC. So what do we get? BC equal to x. So you get the value of BC as x. Okay. So now taking the second triangle, from triangle ABD, right? From triangle ABD. Let us take the value of tan 30. Tan 30 equal to AB by DB. AB by DB. What is AB? AB is equal to x, right? And DB is equal to 30 plus x. That is DC plus CB. That is 30 plus x. Okay. So what is the value of tan 30? That is 1 by root 3. That is equal to x by 30 plus x. So cross multiplying we get 30 plus x equal to root 3x. Okay. So 30 equal to root 3x minus x. 30 equal to, let us take x is common, x into root 3 minus 1. So we get x equal to 30 by root 3 minus 1. So rationalizing it, I get root 3 plus 1. Let me multiply root 3 plus 1 to both the numerator and the denominator. So what do I get? 30 into root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is in the form a plus b into a minus b. That is root 3 square minus 1. That is equal to 30 by root 3 plus 1 into by root 3 square is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So you get here 30 by 2 is 15. So 15 into, what's the value of root 3? That is 1.732. It's a non-value, plus 1. 15 into 2.732. So let's multiply 2732 into 15. So what do we get? 5 3s are 15 plus 1 16. 5 7s are 35 plus 1 36. So you get 3. 5 2s are 10 plus 3 13 into 2732. 08904. So you get the answer as 4980, right? So just check here. After decimal, how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. So you get the answer as x equal to 40.98 meters. Hope it's clear to you all. Okay. Now let me do the question number 2. Coming to the second question. Find the height of a tree when it is found that on walking away from it 20 meter in a horizontal line through its base, the elevation of the top changes from 60 to 30. So height of a tree, let me take it as AB. Okay. So when it is moved away from the tree, so initially the degree was how much? It is 60. So when we move 20 meter away from that, we get the degree as how much? 30 degree. So this will be a figure. So let me consider AB as H, height of the tree, and it's 20 meter away, right? So with the given information, let me try to find out the value. Okay. So initially from triangle ABC, okay, from triangle ABC, tan 60 equal to AB by BC. Okay, tan 60 is equal to AB by BC. So let me consider BC as X. Okay, so tan 60 is what? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to H by BC is X. So I can write it as X equal to H by root 3, because we need to find the height only. H, the value of H we need to find out. Now from the triangle, second triangle, from triangle ABD, tan 30 equal to AB by DB. AB by DB. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 equal to, what is AB? AB is H by 20 plus X. Okay. So cross multiplying we get 20 plus X equal to root 3 H. So we need to get the value of H only. So you can replace the X with H. So let this be my first equation and second equation. So let me substitute 1 in 2. Substituting 1 in 2, I get 20 plus H by root 3 equal to root 3 H. So taking H term to one side, I get it as 20 equal to root 3 H minus H by root 3. So what do I get? 20 equal to root 3 into 3, root 3 is 3. 3H minus H by root 3. So I get 20 into root 3 equal to 2H. H equal to 20 root 3 by 2. That is 10 root 3. H equal to 10 root 3. 10 into 1.732 meters. So that is equal to 17.32 meters. So we get height of the tree is equal to 17.32 meters. Okay. Hope it's clear. Now coming to the third question. So third question you can do it yourself. Third question is similar to what we have done. Just I'll read the question for you. Find the height of a building when it is found that on walking towards it. So in the previous question walking away it was. So the initial angle is 30 degree to 45 degree that you need to do. Okay. So you can find it yourself. Now let me do the fourth question. So question number 4. Okay. From the top of a lighthouse. So let me draw a lighthouse. From the top of a lighthouse, the angle of depression of two ships are observed. So let us consider two ships as A and B. Okay. So let FG be our lighthouse and let us consider the two ships as A and B. So it's given as angle of depression. So this angle, so one of that is 48 degree, other one is 36 degree. So if this angle is 48, what will be this angle? These two lines are parallel, right? And this will be obviously 48 degree. That is the alternate angle we have learnt. And this will be equal to 36 degree. What else is given to us? Find the distance between the two ships. Correct? And the height of the lighthouse is already given as 100 meters. How do we find the distance? So you can use these two triangles, right? Triangle FAG and triangle FGB. Correct? Using these two triangles, you can find the value of AG and GB. Then adding them up, you get the distance between the two ships. Okay? So let us start from triangle AFG, from triangle AFG. So we get tan 48 equal to 100 by AG. Okay, and similarly, let me leave some space and write from triangle FGB, from triangle FGB, tan 36 equal to 100 by BG. Okay. So now using the table, let us find the values of tan 48 and tan 36. In the table we get value of tan 36 is 0.725 and value of tan 48 is 1.1006, right? You can see the value in your textbook. Okay. Just let us rewrite that values. So tan 48 equal to 1.1106, that is equal to 100 by AG. Similarly, tan 36 is equal to 0.7265 equal to 100 by BG. Okay. So AG equal to 100 by 1.1106 and BG equal to 100 by 0.7265. Okay. So dividing them, you get 100 divided by 1.1006 is 90.041 and 137.64. Okay. Divide it and find the answer directly. Okay. So the first sub question. So here I have drawn the figure in such a way that how the second sub question is asked. Ships are on the opposite side of the lighthouse. So in case it's in the same side, how it will be? It will be in this form, right? Correct. Same side of the lighthouse, it will be kind of this form. So if I get the distance like this, so how can I find it out? So first case there was ships are on the same side. If the ships are on the same side, what should I do? This, if I consider this as G, F and A and B, distance between AB will be equal to BG minus AG, right? So BG minus AG will be equal to BG minus AG will be equal to 137.64 minus 90.41. Okay. So we need the answers in nearest meter. So 137.64 can be written as 138 and this can be written as 90, right? So we get, so this, let me write the values directly. So we get 138 minus 90, that is equal to 48 meters by chance. If it is on the two different sides of the lighthouse, in that case what do we need to do? We need to do AG plus GB. So coming to the second sub question, it's in the form AG plus BG, that is equal to 90 plus 138, that is equal to 228 meter. Okay. Hope it's clear to you all. So these are two ways you can represent the figure and you need to do according to that. Okay.